How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80240031. 1. Log in with a local account. 2. Delete Windows.old folder. 3. Disable or temporarily uninstall your antivirus software. 4. Update using the wired connection. 5. Disable your graphics card drivers, temporarily. 6. Perform automatic repair in Windows Safe Mode. 7. Google then run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 8. Run the SFC scan and run DISM as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 9. Restart or reset. Recommended, Windows Update Components. 10. Restart the bit service.